Шеффилд. Дождь начинается. Пойдем. Вставай. Шеффилд. Шеффилд, пойдем. Шеффилд, заходи домой. Шеффилд, иди домой. Иди сюда. Шеффилд. Шеффилд, быстрее домой. Шеффилд. Заходи. So guys, the great moment. The workers just left.
Ну, очки не поставили.
Ta-da! No sockets here, guys. That is why no light. About 6 o'clock at the moment, rather dark. So, Alex, how do you like the work?
Да ужас, ужас тихий, ужас. Сменилось 3 бригады, делают одну комнату 2 месяца. Это кошмар какой-то.
So, guys, Alex is very happy because the workers left finally. So, the 3 groups of workers, 3 brigades. One group of workers is worse than the other. They work, guys, very, very slow, incredibly slow. Alex had time to go to Baikonur and return back, and they are still making the renovation of this small room. So, if you think that it is all, no, guys, we will continue. We are going to paint the battery. It's in a bad condition. We will buy the paint and paint it. And also Alex wants to change the floor. Yeah, Alex?
Да, еще не, Алекс еще будет эти самые розетки ставить.
Also Alex will install the sockets.
Можно, конечно, это самое, этих вызвать, чертей, но я лучше сам поставлю.
Alex, let me tell you a sad story how they removed the plastic around around the socket. Alex was crying when he heard it. So guys, they took in Russian that is called shpatel, and instead of turn off the 2 screws, they just took that metal tool and removed this plastic from the board. So guys, that is highly qualified professionals. Alex says he will put the sockets himself, and we are also planning to change.
Черти забыли тут прорезать. Ладно, я сам покажу. Я думаю, а где же тут эти самые розетки-то? Где?
They forgot, guys. Here are the sockets. You see, it is soft. So now, guys, the laminate. We have to buy it and change it.
Ну не будем темные, да? Светленький будет.
We will think it over. Alex says what color of laminate we are going to buy. So, guys, at the moment it is dark, but I think it will be light. Congratulations, Alex. Also, they had to put the door. Будем их заставлять дверь ставить?
Зачем я сам поставлю? Ну их с ними в баню связываться. Черти из Останкина.
And now we have a lot of wallpaper. Some scrappy pieces. Also, guys, I have to think how to protect this wall, because Chefy is very dirty, usually, especially in autumn and in spring. So we must install here some plastic, as we installed in his office, in Sheffield's office at Dacha. So some plastic will be here, I think, because this wall will be immediately dirty. Шеффилд, where are ducks? Где утки, ищи? Шеффилд, ищи уток. Шефи, where are ducks? Охотник, из тебя плохой, Шеффилд. We are busy with apples, guys. Here are bad apples, small and rotten and with worms. That is Chefy supervising. Yeah, Chefy? Here we have good apples from several apple trees. Over there and here and there and here. Chefy. Apple time, not your favorite, yeah?